After using this magical whitening cream, your skin will instantly transform. Yes, you heard it right. Instant fairness. On the very first use, you'll notice a bright, shiny glow on your skin. When you remove this cream, it leaves a subtle white effect, making your skin visibly fairer and spotless. Today, I'm sharing an easy, one-step remedy to make your skin bright, glowing, and permanently fair. Using rice flour and a few powerful whitening agents, this DIY cream works like magic to give your skin that flawless radiance. Let's dive into how to make it. How are you all? I hope you're doing well. Yes, let's dive straight into today's remedy. Today, I'll show you how to make a whitening cream that everyone loves. Whitening creams are one of the most popular skincare products, and there's always a question, which one should I use? So today, we're making it ourselves. It's simple, effective, and will become your go-to beauty product. Let's get started quickly. But before we begin, for those who haven't yet pressed the like button, go ahead and click it now. Please subscribe to my channel and become a part of our GlamGuide family. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notifications for all our exciting and informative videos. This way, you can take care of your skin effortlessly and make it truly beautiful. Let's go and create this amazing remedy together. Let's start whipping up this magical cream that will make your skin fair, bright, and glowing in no time. Ready? Let's go. Let's start making our magical whitening cream. For this cream, we need some incredible ingredients, and the star of the show is rice flour. Yes, you heard it right. Rice flour can transform your skin to make it bright, glowing, and fair. It works wonders to make your skin spotless. Goodbye dark spots, goodbye pigmentation. Your skin will be crystal clear, like glass or pure water. Sounds amazing, right? Now let's talk about how to prepare rice flour. I know some of you might be thinking, oh no, it must be so difficult to make rice flour. Don't worry, it's super simple. You can easily buy it from the market, but if you prefer to make it at home, here's what you do. Just clean your rice thoroughly, grind it into a fine powder, and sift it to get soft, smooth flour. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Now, why rice flour? Let me tell you, it's a powerhouse of antioxidant and anti-aging properties. It helps keep your skin young, bright, and healthy. It repairs your skin, removes all the little problems like dark spots or pigmentation, and makes your skin glow naturally. Whether it's a rice toner, rice mask, or this cream, it all absorbs deeply into your skin for amazing results. Now let's move on to making the cream. Take 2 tablespoons of rice flour, our hero ingredient. Just look at how fine and white it is. Isn't it magical? This flour is packed with whitening properties and is my all-time favorite for brightening skincare. But wait, there's another ingredient coming up. Here's a little challenge for you. Can you guess what it is? It's also white in color, and it's something I absolutely love to use in my remedies. If you know it, drop your guess in the comments. I'm waiting to see how many of you can figure it out. Now, before we continue, let me remind you, this cream is not just your regular cream. The application process is a bit different, so watch carefully without skipping. And if you still have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll reply right away. All right, let's mix the next ingredient and create this magical whitening cream that will brighten your skin instantly and permanently when used regularly. Are you ready to see the magic unfold? Let's do this together. Let's move to the next magical ingredient, maida flower. Many people don't realize how incredible this ingredient is for your skin. Maida is not just for cooking. It's a hidden gem for beauty remedies. This flower works wonders in solving so many skin problems. It helps to boost collagen production, making your skin youthful and firm. Not just that, it also helps in removing facial hair permanently and eliminates the dead layers of skin, revealing fresh, glowing skin underneath. Sounds amazing, right? Here's what we need to do. Take the same amount of maida flour and rice flour. For this cream, I'm using 2 tablespoons of maida and mixing it with the 2 tablespoons of rice flour we prepared earlier. Mix them well so that both flours combine evenly. Our next key ingredient is raw milk. Let me tell you, raw milk is like a magic potion for your skin. It's packed with properties that help to whiten your skin naturally. When you apply raw milk to your skin, it slowly starts leaving its fair color as it gets absorbed. Over time, it makes your skin glow and turns it fair, just like milk. Now, when you mix raw milk with other ingredients in this remedy, the results are doubled. Isn't that amazing? So for this recipe, we'll add 4 tablespoons of raw milk. This ingredient is suitable for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin. Why? Because raw milk provides balanced moisture. It hydrates your skin without making it too oily or too dry. Now, mix the milk with the flowers. Pay attention to the consistency. It's very important. The cream should not be too thick or too runny. It needs to have a smooth, creamy texture so it spreads easily on your face. If it feels thick, add a little more milk. Keep mixing until there are no lumps and the paste is smooth and ready to use. Next, we'll add aloe vera gel. This is another magical ingredient for our skin, especially in winter, when our skin tends to get dry. Aloe vera gel hydrates and moisturizes your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Now, for this cream, I recommend using market-based aloe vera gel instead of homemade. The market-based version is more stable and works better in creams like this. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix it well with the paste. I always share remedies that work for all skin types because I want everyone to benefit from them. That's why I've carefully chosen ingredients that are suitable for every skin type and deliver amazing results. Trust me, these remedies are 100% effective. Just make sure to follow the recipe exactly as I share it with you, and you'll see the magic happen. Now comes one of my favorite ingredients, honey. Honey is a natural glow booster. It hydrates your skin and leaves it radiant. Just half a tablespoon of honey is enough for this recipe. Mix it thoroughly with the rest of the ingredients. Honey is also great for all skin types, so you don't have to worry about any side effects. It will give your skin an instant glow and keep it shining naturally. The last ingredient is glycerin, which is completely optional. If you have very oily skin, you can skip this step. But if your skin is dry, especially in winter, adding glycerin will make the cream extra moisturizing. I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of glycerin to this recipe. Mix it well until all the ingredients blend perfectly, and you get a smooth, creamy texture. Now comes the most important step, how to apply the cream. This step will ensure you get the best results, so watch carefully. Apply the cream evenly on your face, covering every area. Once applied, gently massage your face in circular motions for 5 to 7 minutes. If you have sensitive skin, massage for 5 minutes. For normal, oily, or combination skin, massage for at least 7 minutes. After massaging, leave the cream on to dry completely. Once it's dry, peel it off gently. This peeling process will help remove dead skin cells, facial hair, and any impurities, leaving your skin bright and fair. As you peel it off, you'll notice an instant whiteness and brightness in your skin. Trust me, the results are guaranteed from the very first use. So that's our magical whitening cream recipe. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing remedies. See you in the next video. Until then, stay glowing and beautiful.